Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh, that's no good. Also, like, so as you guys know, the M4, I wouldn't say it broke down, but I went to get oil. I usually do my oil myself, but this time I actually had a lot of work I gotta finish up something I gotta talk to you guys about at the end of the video. It had a lot of work, so I took it to an oil place. You know, don't worry guys, I did get my own oil, but they broke the cap that's on the filter, and let me show you how it looks. Let me get you the broken piece actually on the other side, and let me pop the hood open real quick. I got the new one here, but so far, I mean, this one is probably gonna be leaking a lot of oil, so I gotta get ready. So here, let me show you guys the broken one real quick. It's gonna be, I don't know if you guys can see, it's gonna be this piece right here off the bottom, and that triggered the oil pressure sensor to go off. But hopefully with this one we're good, and I'm also gonna be going on a quick test drive to see. So let me open this up and let me pull out the new one, and hopefully we should be good. Boom, right there. So we got that opened up. Oh, it already comes with the gasket. I just need to get the little ring thing. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It looks about the same size. So right now we're probably gonna get dirty, so let me make sure it's recording good. Yeah, that's perfect. So let's get this out. Oh my god, it's gonna be leaking so much oil. I think I might put on the side actually rags, because I'm not trying to get the whole bay plate just dirty. So we're just gonna get these, put it around the filter, because we're gonna be taking off the old filter too. Let's stuff these here. I hope it doesn't get in the way, or like right there. I think that should be perfect right there. Just gonna keep unscrewing. God, that's heavy. Okay, you know what? Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh, that's no good. Also, like, I didn't even drive it after the oil change too. So I think, hold up, let's put it in. So that's perfect. And we also gonna need this one right there. So this one's cooked. That's the OEM one. I think I need a tool for this. Yeah, I definitely need a tool. So I'm just gonna go grab that right real quick. Oh, let's not drop any more oil all over that. So let's go grab that tool. I think we gotta look for it, dude. Oh my god, this is a mess. I usually have everything cleaned up, but we're moving stuff around in the garage. But we gotta be quick, because I don't want nothing to go in there. Let's see. I think this right here might be the one. Right there. Let's hope I don't like rip it, because that means I wouldn't be able to drive them for other days, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna transfer. I think that's what they call. I think these are gaskets. Okay, so I really don't have the best nails. It's not even going off, dude. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it like this. Be able to kind of, oh. Boom. So we got this one out, and now it's time to put it on to the new one. Boom. Boom. Now I don't think we need a lubricant. Boom. So we got it on the new one, and now we just gotta, I'm just gonna lube it up just in case. Get that John lubed up and everything. And now let's clean off this one right there. Let's clean it up. Make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, I think now that's when the tool come in play. I really not trying to get. Oh, okay, never mind, that's open. I'm really not trying to get my car fully dirty because I just cleaned it, but it needs another wash, dude. It rained for the past like 7 days straight. No, I think I just can leave it like. Put it on like, like this. So I got that out the way. I hand tightened it all the way that I can't. And I was gonna kind of clean up because I did spill a little bit of oil. But I think it should be good now. It should be good. This was an old one. That one's terrible. My camera died. I had to whip out the phone. But right now we're gonna get a first cold start in like almost a week and a half. I miss this car so much. And let's see. Hopefully it's good. God, I miss it so much, bro. Oh, hold up. Why is... Oh, the hood is open, that's why. But, dude, I haven't started this car for so long. I'm just gonna go on like a little drive. Wait until it's all good. And it looks like it's good. It's not leaking. It shouldn't leak. I think it might be good. And the PCV valve, like you can see, like it's all cleaned up. Dude, oh my God, I genuinely miss car. As you guys know, I've been driving the van the whole time. You know, because I was dealing with this. Oh. Bro, this shit fell. Hold on, I don't want it to fall on the fan. That's the last place I want it to hit. Because if that hits the fan, not gonna lie, your boy might need a new fan after that. Alright, so let's just wait till the car is fully warmed up, and then now we're just gonna take on a ride. Finally we got everything back on the car, and now, I mean, I just want you to know, of course I tested it, but I mean, this camera died while I was recording. So I mean, I got some clips on the phone, I got clips on everything. But hopefully, I mean, so far, you know, no oil pressure sensor code, whatever you want to call it, is showing. So we're gonna just drive it around, do some pulls, and hopefully let's. Oh, also my car did just hit 100k miles. I'll put a picture of before and after. You know, 9999 and 100,000. You know, it's crazy. It kind of blows my mind how long I've had this car and how many miles I actually put on. I put on hella miles on this car. Like, I'm not even joking. I think in 1 month, like in like 3 months, I've done like over 4,000 miles. And you're probably wondering, like, what the hell did you like? Where'd you go? But bro, I literally just roam around. I drive around for fun. I go to random places like San Francisco, kind of all that, like, you know. But I mean, honestly, this car, like, thank God it hasn't showed me like any trouble, like crazy bad trouble. Hopefully never, you know. It's in perfect, hit 100k in perfect condition. So that's honestly pretty good. But we'd be mobbing to Justin Timberlake. Also, this weather is so weird. Like, it rains and it stops raining, then it rains so randomly. And the weather app is like so inaccurate, like it's bad. It gets annoying. And how much? Ooh, 320 on a full tank. Honestly, that's pretty good. That's so far. That's my highest. Well, not my highest number. If I've hit 400 on the tank, but I mean, dude, recently the way I've been driving it, yeah, I don't deserve that much. I'm just gonna keep it a buck with you guys. Also, there has been hella cops near, so we gotta also be careful on that. A little 7th gear pull. That shit's slow. Bro, I can't wait till I like whenever I gas it, I lock in. And I just literally, the whole time, I'm just looking if there's a cop anywhere. Because honestly, I don't want a ticket. I just paid my $400 ticket the other day. It didn't hurt the bank account, but like, you know, it did some damage a little bit. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. So we're good. We'll also open up Chipotle right here. Bro, I'm not even joking. These gas prices might be better than Safeway. It's usually the opposite, but I mean, honestly, bro, Safeway, we've been getting straight hammered on those gas prices. Like yesterday, I should have filled up like 2 days ago. It was like 4.3, 4.91. Now it's like 4.7, 4.8. Yeah, it's a headache, but I mean, honestly, what can you do? What can you do? I'm feeling some windows down action. It makes it like look so much better. Also, I'm not, dude. I still have so much shit I gotta do too. Like, I got YouTube video on this channel, the other channel, and what else? I have something, dude. I have more. Oh yeah, I gotta get ready. Now I kind of wanna go discover some new places I haven't been to in this area. Let's see the left side. Am I even allowed to go left? I mean, I think so. I mean, it's not saying like I can't go in there. Let's see what they're cooking up in there. But I swear to God, bro, they be building houses so fast. Like, bro, you don't even know. It's like you turn around and turn back around and just freaking like 6 houses built. But I remember when this all used to be like a desert. Not a desert, but dude, I remember this used to be just nothing here. Straight nothing. Same thing where I live, there's nothing down there. But now there's just like hella houses. Yeah. What is this? Yeah. But oh my God, I can take this turn. Ready? No, I can do this easy. I feel like this is easy. But just like, dude, I don't even want to live here no more. Like, I need to make more money online and move out. And go to like Nevada. Because Nevada is lit. Bro, you can carry silencers, you can do all that. That is actually dope. But one thing about this area is it's a maze, dude. Like, you don't know where you're going. Like, you're gonna be stuck there for a while. For a while. Yeah, excuse me, I'm sick a little bit. But yeah, dude, like, if I would want to move somewhere whenever I'm making shit ton of money online. Oh, there's 2 ravens fighting. Yeah, I want to move to either Arizona or Nevada. I mean, because not gonna lie, Nevada is so nice. Like, I want to live somewhere where it gets cold. Like, see, I don't even know where the hell I'm going. I'm literally stuck. Yeah, so in Nevada, I want to go to Nevada. For sure, that's somewhere I definitely do want to move to. Or maybe more like towards, you know, like Nevada, but like before that, so it's California. But I mean, what I don't like about California, how strict they are. I don't like that. They're strict on everything. They're strict on what? Gun laws, car laws, dude, every single thing. They're hella strict. And so far we don't have the oil pressure coat, so that's good. But yeah, back to what we're talking about. Yeah, bro, they're hella strict. They got state rep, they got all that bullshit. In Nevada, you can literally go out and just shoot randomly somewhere random. That's when we went to Nevada, actually. It was fun. And gambling is available there, like, because there's some stuff that you can do in California. You see, California is just so strict, dude, for no reason, and I really don't like that. But also, like, what is there to do in Nevada? You know, it's like Nevada. It's like there's like barely anything to do there. You know what I mean? But I mean, so far. I mean, I hope everything is good there. I am looking for like apartments and shit like that. I'm looking for like a nice apartment. I already found an apartment in Arizona. It's called the West 6. It's a high-rise. Bro, oh my god, this shit looks so clean. It's like really high in the sky. You get a whole view of the city. That's why, like, my dream before anything happens, I want to move into a high-rise. That's like one of the dreams. That's why, like, you know, working hard and shit. I'm trying to make stuff happen. And eventually we're gonna be in, like, you know, a very nice vehicle. That's like a Lambo or something like that. I can't really talk about it too much because let's focus about getting the money first. But yeah, I mean, so far there's no codes, there's no nothing. I'm happy with my purchase. But not gonna lie, dude, that pissed me off whenever, like, he told me, oh, it's broken. Oh, we can't do anything about it. That really did make me mad. I had to wait like 7 days without driving this car. But now I gotta do diff bushings, because you can literally hear them. Look, watch, listen, already. You see that? You can hear the diff bushings bad. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna order some diff bushings. Maybe next month. So yeah, pray for me. Either that or crank hub. I do want to get crank hub and go stage 2 on E, do all of that. But also I need to do diff pushing, which is more important because I can blow up a differential. And you know how expensive those bad boys are. Really expensive. But anyways, so far there's no problems. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I know it's been a late post on the Over Dextro channel, but you know, the M4 was down and I had to fix it, and I did fix it. So now we're all goody to go. Hopefully there shouldn't be anything wrong. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy 04 Dextro. I'm out.